B, designate any person in the public service or any person appointed as a designated agent of a bargaining council in terms of Section 33 of the Labor Relations Act 1995 perform any of the functions of a labor inspector, right? Number 2, any person appointed under subsection 1 must perform his or her functions in terms of this chapter, subject to the direction and control of the minister. 3, the minister must provide each labor inspector with a signed certificate in the prescribed form stating A, that the person is a labor inspector, B, which legislation that the labor inspector may monitor and enforce, and C, which of the functions of a labor inspector that person may perform. Functions of the labor inspectors, right? 1, labor inspectors